Bro, you are on mute.
Okay, now it's audible.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this I have changed to daily chart here, right? So now you tell me what you are seeing in this chart.
Yeah, I think it has a resistance near the 24,400.
This area,
Right.
correct. This area,
Yeah.
yes. See, sometimes
And
sometimes one or two candles can go up also, so it doesn't matter much.
yeah,
So we can think of approximately 24,400. So that is correct.
yeah, and the first,
See,
what
you
the
have to
first
see
supported.
first you have to see the immediate zone wherever your price
Yeah,
is.
yeah,
So now price is here, so you have to see the immediate this one.
yeah.
Right.
Correct.
And second thing, what you can see is that this was a support, and here also you can see a big green candle, right? That means the
Mm.
buyers came back from here, so they have taken it back from the lower zone. So that means this is very strong area wherein they will not allow market to go down from here very easily, right? So this is one support zone, and second support zone is here, correct?
Yeah.
So if market breaks this zone, then it may try to take support here around 22,400. And small resistance is here, 24,000. And then big resistance is here, 24,400, correct?
Mm.
So these are all short-term support and resistance. But if you want to go for a long term, then what you have to do, you have to minimize the chart and then see the long-term areas, right? So here you can see, correct? This
Yeah.
area is support, same as it, same as this, right? Same as the same zone, correct?
Mm.
And top also you can see this area is a resistance zone. You can see a lot of rejections happen near this 26,300. So that's why this is my support zone. So it is coming the same thing. See, your patterns make change, but your zones may be same in if you are seeing the daily and weekly chart, because price is same only everywhere, right? Whether it's daily chart, hourly chart, or weekly chart, On- only the patterns will change.
So if you are a trader, you consider daily or a weekly?
I have to
What
check
is the best
everything.
way?
I have to check everything actually. Because
Okay.
if I want to do a short-term trade, then I may have to see a support, or I may have to see, let's say I have purchased one stock, right? And I'm looking for hardly 2 or 3%. Then I will check for hourly chart, where is my resistance first. So I'll try to book profits, my profits near first resistance.
Mm.
Because hourly chart is small, and I may get profits early if I'm using the hourly chart. But if I'm using the weekly chart, I may get profits late. Means I may have to wait for 5 days, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks also sometimes. So you have to think like that when you want to take profits. Say like how soon you need the money, right? Like you want to do some money, like every week if you want to earn 1 or 2%, then you can go for hourly and daily chart like that. But if you want more return like 5%, 10%, then you may have to go with weekly chart, and you may have to wait for a longer duration. But you have to set your psychology in that manner only, right? You cannot keep on flipping or changing between these things, because your brain may not work in that case sometimes. Once your brain is set on one strategy, you should be using that strategy, right? But in the long run, if you want, you can use everything, because since I am see, when I started 10 years back, at the time I was also stuck in many things, right? Because I may not my brain was not set based on many things, right? But since now, if I've been using for around 10 years, so I am okay, because I check every chart, and based on that I'll try to exit the location, because I diversify my portfolio. Let's say I have a money of 1 crore, so for 25 lakhs I'll put for intraday trading, 25 lakhs I will keep for swing trading, and remaining 50 lakhs I'll put in dividends or somewhere where I'll keep getting money every month or every quarter like that. So this is how you can diversify or distribute your capital also. You should not put everything all the capital in one place. Like I saw your portfolio, stocks portfolio, most of the things everywhere in small and mid cap stocks only.
Mm.
So if those goes down, it may show you a loss of 20, 30, 40% also sometimes, right?
Right.
Because in that case, your money may get blocked, right? So that's why you should not block your full money in the market. You should have it diversified everywhere so that you will keep on getting some money every time that you may not feel that I have invested this much money and I have not got any return for 6 months or 1 year. See, those guys who have invested at higher price 2 years back, their money is still blocked there, right? So that's the reason sometimes they will feel that this market is bad and we will not enter again in the market, all those things, right?
Correct.
So that's the reason it is very important to diversify your portfolio everywhere actually. Right. So even in trading also you can diversify. Some part you can keep it for trading, small trading, some part you can keep it for swing trading, and some part you can keep it for passive incomes. Every month you can get some money. Right. Like I am we are doing for CPSC and this one ITBs, right?
Mm.
So those instruments are safe. We can put even more capital in that 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs also because we know that the ETFs are safe and we know that in every 2 or 3 months we may get 2% profits. That's okay. Right. So some capital you can keep it there, some capital you can keep in small mid cap, and some capital you can keep in large cap also. Right. And you should try to use a similar capital everywhere, not like that some small cap you have put 5 lakhs and large cap you are putting 1 lakh. So that should not be the case. Your capital distribution should be like that. If you see, first depends on your risk appetite, how much risk you can take. Based on that, you have to create your portfolio. So if your risk is moderate or low risk, then you should go 50% in large caps. And remaining like 30-20, you can go like for ETF, some percentage in ETF and some percentage in small and mid caps. Like that, you can do it. But if you have a high risk appetite, then you can go ulta. 50% you can put in small caps like that. But again, small caps you have to choose the quality ones.
There is no quality in small, right?
No,
Now
it's there.
within the
Now you have to check the balance sheet. Based on the balance sheet, you can decide. You can check the fundamentals of the see for large cap. You don't have to check any fundamentals because they are already large cap because of good fundamentals. Small cap you may have to check some fundamentals based on that. Right.
Okay.
So if you know how to check the fundamentals, you can at least decide which small caps are good that may give good returns in 6 months. And if you know how to read the profit and loss statement or you know how to read their quarterly results, then you can decide based on that. So those things you can think. Okay, so this support and resistance is clear to you how to find out.
Yes. Yes.
I will show you an hourly chart also so that you can see in what is happening in hourly chart. So as I told you that hourly chart is for small time frame, right?
Mm.
So now you can see here, correct? In hourly chart, you can see that there is a support zone again, right? 23,250 short term, right? And this is the resistance, 24,000 is the resistance, right? So market may keep on moving between these range,
Fluctuate.
fluctuate until it gives a breakout there or it gives a breakdown below this.
Mm.
So based on this area, this area, you can decide your options. If you want to trade in options, you can decide based on that. Like you know that there is a support and there is a resistance. So it is difficult for market to cross this area and it is difficult to cross this area also, right? What you can do is that you can sell these two options. This put you can sell and this call you can sell like a hedger. So normally what I will do as a hedger, I will sell this call which is around 24,000 somewhere 24,500 maybe I will choose to sell this call. And here also I will try to choose one put 23,000 put to sell. So both the things I will sell because I know that market is going to fluctuate between this because this is my resistance and this is my support, right?
Mm.
So I will try to take a benefit of this situation, and I will try to sell both to earn some points there.
Okay.
So like that, I can use it. Or if my market is trending, based on that, I can try to buy a call which is near resistance. If the market is uptrend, I will try to find one resistance, and I can try to buy a strike price of that resistance area. So there is one indicator which you can use it for marking the support and resistance. This is called as pivot points
Pivot.
standard. So if I plot it, it will show me, see, like this. So many lines are here, right? So we have to remove it. So then I'll go to settings. See, here it is showing a number of pivots back 15, right? So I don't want 15 back pivots. I may need only two also. If I put two, then it will remove all the one and it will just place only two pivot points. Or if you want one, then it will show you one only, the current location, right? And here it will show you the prices also. Which price is R2, which price is S1, which price is S4, S5, all these things will show you. Or you can change settings also. See, here it is showing all the pivot S1, all the support and resistance is there, right? If you don't want to see these, you can remove this. If you want to see only R1, R2, S1, S2, then you can select this. Then you can put it. It is very neat and clean now for you. So let's say the market is trending, right? So here, as you can see that market was coming down, right? So here you can try to take a put. You can try to take a to buy a put of 23,300 somewhere. If the market, if you see from here the market will come down, then you can try to buy a put there. And if now you see market will go up, then you can try to buy a call near the resistance point. See, all the game is of price movements only. If you understand how the price is moving, who is moving the price, then you are good with it. So like this, we can use this indicator to find the support and resistance. Apart from that, we have many indicators to use. We have 1000 indicators, but we will not know most of the things. I will give you information about two or three indicators which you can apply and use it in your trading thing. Right. And
Okay.
Suman, it is not like that if you're learning trading that you have to do full time. You can do part time also. Sometimes for some passive income, you can do it. It is not like that. See, earlier when I was working at that time, I was doing part time only, right? And then after that, I decided that I will go full time. That is up to you if you want to go full time or part time.
Mm-hmm.
So it is always good to get some passive income, right?
That's correct.
Whether it is
But what's the
5,000,
time
six
frame
thousand
that
per
we?
month, that doesn't matter much.
Okay.
So that is my opinion about that passive income. But there are many people who think differently that they, if they are looking for passive income, they think that as a part time, if they want to earn, they want 1 lakh immediately, 2 lakhs per month immediately. So that's difficult. That you can do it, but you have to scale your business accordingly.
Right.
Okay, so this is clear. So maybe what you can do is that you can try to practice it and check on charts, try to plot it and see how it is working. Or if you want, you can try in some stocks, try to buy some quantities, 4 or 5 quantities for practice purpose and see how it is moving up and down. And you can always use the stop losses also. See, stop losses, what you can do is that in the starting, for now, you can plan like 1:2 risk reward ratio. Means if your risk is 1 rupee, you can take a reward of 2 rupees. Like that, you can plan.
Okay.
So whenever you get time, you can try like at least 15-20 minutes if you are getting in a day or evening, then also it is good. You can at least see the chart, what is happening in the chart. Or if you try to check in the market timings, then it will be better because you will see the price movements happening there.
Right.
Right. Even if you plot this on 5 minutes, it will show you the support and resistance. See, it is showing you. So for scalping, they use like this only. Some scalpers they will do like this. Right. So once you plot the indicator, you can keep on changing the time frame based on that. You can activate it. It will automatically plot your support and resistance based on the time frame you have selected.
This is a free tool, right? Trading.
See, they have an option of premium, but I don't think it is any useful of taking the premium. You can use free.
Okay.
In free maximum, you can use three indicators at a time. So three indicators are more than
Hmm.
sufficient, actually. So no
Okay.
need to take a premium version and all. Because this is just for analysis. This is not for trading, right? So you can do your analysis. The maximum you can use three indicators, and even if you have a zero account, there is a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
Technical analysis you can do there also. But the positive point of TradingView is that here we have more indicators. There they have an option of limited thing only in Zerodha. But this pivot point is there. Pivot point is there in Zerodha. You can even use it if you want from at their place.
Okay. Let me try this.
Just try it out and see how it works for you. But if you want to
Sure.
learn, you have to practice. That is the only thing. You have to spend some time actually.
Correct. That I'll do.
Uh, See, if you're learning any skill, it may not be useless, but sometime it may give you advantage.
Correct.
I did my MBA finance long back in 2010 and 11, but at the time it was not useful. But now it is giving me advantage
Okay.
5 years back.
Yeah, yeah. Whatever you learn, I think
Uh,
it will
Anytime
do.
it will give you. See this and this trading skill in lifetime. Once you learn this thing, you can use it for lifetime. Even when you are taking retirement after 50, 55, 60, then also you can use it. See, I have many students who are retired now from government jobs, like 55, 60, 65 years old person. They are learning strategies and they are using it because they want to use that money. And because see, FD and all are only 6%, 7%. Even you are not able to beat the inflation there. So at least you need to get at least 10 to 12% per year, then only you can beat the inflation. So at least if you learn some strategies for price and all, you can do kind of passive income. Fine.
Yeah.
So you can try to practice it and then you can let me know when you want to do the next class. We have two more classes remaining. So then you can tell me when you want to do the next class, then we can do it.
Okay. Maybe over the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, whenever if
Weekend,
you are free.
I don't know because my son's counseling is going on. So for IIT, counseling has started. I am not sure uh, when I will be free. Weekend,
Okay.
I don't know.
So you let me.
Yeah,
Yeah, let
yeah.
me know.
We'll let you know. But you just tell me your timings whenever you are free. Just ping me whenever you are free. I'll see if I'm free. I will take the class.
Okay.
But mostly try
Yeah.
to in the evening time, 8 to like the same timings, 8 to 9 p.m. Or on weekends, we can even do during daytime also if you are there.
Yeah. I'll let you know. I think
Sure.
this weekend I'm free actually. If you are free, we can finish it off.
Then we can plan.
Yeah.
Like we have only two classes. One we can do on Saturday and one we can do on Sunday like that also. And if you want, we can continue for 2 hours also. That's also okay for me.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so just try to practice. In case you have any doubts, just ping me.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
So I'll try to some
Yeah,
effort
sure.
here.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thanks, Gaurav. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.